Hello everybody, I got an awesome mail day from Cryptid Camp. It's the new Collecticon packs. So we're gonna open some cards and see what we pull. Ooh, we got a reverse holo. It's got the awesome border that has the Collecticon logo. Yeah, we're hoping for the many different serialized cards. They got some out of 100, 50, 25, and I think, and then the 1 of 1, which would be awesome to pull. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a full holo. Wow, look at that. Background's awesome. If you get a chance, limited time, go ahead and get on Cryptid Camp website and go to the products. They got awesome binders. They got the Collecticon packs. They got the 3D patches of the different cabins. They got the Pampa Perluza, the Valentine's Day set, which is amazing artwork. It's just such a fun set and just the awesome different things you can pull. So I would definitely check them out. Let's see what else. We'll turn around so we can go backwards. Got another reverse holo. All right, let's see what we got. Got another reverse holo. Another reverse holo. Hoping for a serialized card. That'd be absolutely incredible. I've been seeing a couple of things on eBay where some of the serialized cards are showing up on eBay. Oh, yes. Serialized out of 25, 13 out of 25. Heck yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, man. Oh, this is great. Definitely gotta get some penny sleeves for this bad boy. 13 out of 25. Hey, maybe we can get lucky and I'll pull another serialized card. Wouldn't that be awesome? Let's see what this one is. Another reverse holo. We got got 3 more packs. Let's see if we can pull something else. Ooh, another full holo. Not bad. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to order some more of these packs. I'm pretty excited for all the different Collecticon packs that are be coming out, and then monthly packs will be coming out, and then towards the end of the month, Cryptid Camp's going to do their Kickstarter, which is going to be a brand new set, new companions. They're going to have the SCP. I mean, they're going to have all kinds of cool stuff. So 2025 for Cryptid Camp was awesome. 2026 is just going to be incredible. Definitely check it out. Check out their website. Go to their Discord. Discord's so much fun. Awesome people. Great community. We just have a great time. Let's see what we got on this one. Another full holo. All right, last pack magic. Let's see what we can get. Let's just admire this pack art real quick. What cryptids will you encounter? Will you get a reverse holo, full holo, or borderline serialized card? All right, last pack magic. Let's see what we get. Wouldn't this be awesome if this was the one of one? That'd be amazing. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, another full hollow. Not bad. I'm super pumped. I got a out of 25 card. Uh, it's incredible. So make sure you go check out cryptidcamp.com. Follow me on Instagram. I got a YouTube channel. Follow me on that. I'm starting out, doing YouTube, so I'm a little bit of an amateur when it comes to this. I just ordered this nice little phone stand so I can do these videos, because past few videos I've been just propping it up on a box of oatmeal. But thanks for checking it out, and good luck on your pulls, and talk to you later.